You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. Yes, it's got an Old Norse origin. Yes, so it exists in Old English, also Gaelic or Gaelic, so Scottish, Irish, and that's why the spelling is a little bit confusing. It's a surname, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward once you know. It's simply pronounced as Howe. 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 Yes, just like the word H-O-W. Howe. Easy. How, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.